Have you ever used a lapel or lavalier microphone that looks something like this? You could clip it to the outside or inside of your shirt and it frees up your hands and allows you to walk around easily but still having a microphone that's just below your mouth, getting the best sound possible. A lavalier microphone like this Sennheiser could set you back around $2,000. But what if I told you that you probably have something like this already with you? Hi, I'm Matthew and welcome to Matterby Online, where we hope to make your media life a little bit simpler. When I first started making videos, I thought it was all about the video quality, so I neglected learning anything much about audio, which I later on learned was a big mistake because audio is just as important, if not more important, than the footage you're recording. People tend to forgive if your video quality is a little below par, but would most likely change the channel or switch to another video if they're finding it really difficult to understand what you are saying. There really is no point having 4K videos if your audio quality just cannot measure up. So here's a tip for you to have your own lavalier microphone if you don't already have a high quality one. And it looks something like this. This is the free headset that comes with every iPhone that you purchase. Now, I know a lot of people have been using their AirPods. It really sounds great, but if you're not willing to spend that extra money or just need something right now, then this video is definitely for you. It's really pretty simple. All you gotta do is roll up the earphones together with the mic and tape them up together. Then you're gonna wanna put it under your jacket or your t-shirt, or even tape it directly to the top of your chest. Something you want to remember is to never cover the microphone with the tape, or it's going to really affect your audio quality. Once you've got your microphone on the inside, just take the other end, plug it into your phone, hit the record button and place your phone into your pocket, and this is the audio that's coming directly from the camera. And now you're listening to the audio that's recorded directly from the iPhone's hands-free that is taped to my chest. There you go. You have a wireless microphone with you. Just a tip, don't forget to click record and lock your phone so that you don't accidentally press it while it's in your pocket. If you'd like to know how to synchronize the audio from your phone with the footage that you've recorded, we've made a video on that and you can click on the link above. And if we don't answer your question in that video, feel free to leave a comment below and we will definitely get back to you. Well, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell to get notifications of any new videos that we make. And as always, have a great day or night.